So I've been talking a lot about how we're building real AI agents into our software here at Startup Hack. So I wanted to let you in on one of our awesome examples and give you some cool stuff that's coming. So writing software that uses LLMs into our systems is part of how software developers are starting to evolve with the tools of these awesome LLMs. While everyone's talking about ChatGPT and some basic tools, the real evolution is happening with custom AI agents that automate complex business processes and being able to write them into code. So after 25 years in software development and a decade as a fractional CTO, I've seen firsthand how the right AI agent can plug in to deliver some huge AI ROI for small and medium businesses. And I'm going to show you right now a quick example of how we built some software using good old-fashioned software development coupled with innovation and some awesome uses of LLMs and improve a serious business process. So I'm going to show you exactly how we built WizBoostAI, a powerful email personalization agent that's helping businesses achieve open rates over 10 times higher than industry standards, and how our experience building AI agents can transform your business operations. So let's dive into this today. Welcome to Startup Hack. I'm Spencer Thompson. Here at Startup Hack, we love to train software developers in our licensed coding boot camps, as well as build custom software solutions for companies. With a decade of executive leadership as a fractional CTO and 25 years in software development, I've mastered transforming tech teams and products. All right, so the AI evolution is happening. While everyone's talking about generative AI like ChatGPT, the real business transformation is happening through purpose-built AI agents that solve specific business problems. So these aren't chatbots. They're specialized software systems that use AI to automate complex workflows that previously required human judgment and expertise. Now, the most powerful AI agents connect directly to your existing business systems, augment your team's capabilities without requiring massive infrastructure changes. Now, at Startup Hack, we've been building these AI agents for a while now, trying to stay ahead of the curve by focusing on practical applications that can deliver immediate ROI rather than chasing hype. So our latest creation, WizBoostAI, is a perfect example of how a specialized AI agent can transform a critical business function, email marketing outreach. So let me dive into this a little bit. So WizBoostAI is an AI agent that's built specifically for MailWiz, which is a self-hosted email server. So if you don't want to pay for MailChimp or one of these other big ones, MailWiz is a great option. But WizBoostAI is a great tool that helps you to stop guessing, start connecting. You can unlock the true potential of your campaigns with revolutionary AI that doesn't just write, it creates, refines, and tailors email content to captivate your audience. All this everly integrates into MailWiz to help you achieve unmatched results. So it's a really great tool that we've been building here, and this is a great opportunity to get to dive into this. So after working with dozens of small and medium businesses, we noticed a common challenge, and we noticed it even in our own brands. Email campaigns were underperforming despite being one of the highest ROI marketing channels available. The root problem wasn't the email platform itself. Tools like MailWiz provide excellent delivery capabilities, but the quality and personalization of the content. Now, most businesses simply don't have the resources to manually personalize hundreds of thousands of emails, right? Like we have some email campaigns that are hundreds of thousands of email campaigns large. And so it's not like you can go through every one of those contacts personally. So what we did, we saw an opportunity to apply AI in a focused, specialized way that would solve this exact problem. Automatically enhance email content with personalization that feels authentic and engaging. So rather than building a standalone application requiring businesses to change their workflow, we created WizBoostAI as an extension for MailWiz, integrating directly into their existing process. So this approach, building AI that enhances rather than replaces existing business systems, is central to our philosophy at Startup Hack. Now, if your company needs help identifying where AI agents could help deliver the biggest ROI, let us help you out. Here at Startup Hack, our specialty is analyzing business processes and implementing AI solutions that deliver measurable results. Check out startuphack.com/Spencer because we can help you out. Now, building WizBoostAI wasn't as simple as just connecting an API to an email platform. Some of the things that we wanted to change was we needed to ensure that AI enhancement maintained the original message intent while making the language more engaging. Early tests showed that generic AI prompts often drifted too far from the original message. So the next problem is we needed to preserve all the technical elements of the email, like merge tags, HTML formatting, and tracking codes, while still allowing the AI to enhance the content. Now, third, we needed to make the the system flexible enough to accommodate different AI providers, as businesses have different preferences and requirements around which AI model they use. So finally, we needed to make the entire process seamless for users. No complex configuration, no need to learn prompt engineering, just a template and let the AI do the work. Now, solving these challenges required some deep expertise in both email marketing systems and AI integration. And we leveraged our experience in software development to create an architecture that handles these complexities behind the scene. Now, the result is a system that appears simple on the surface, but contains sophisticated engineering underneath, much like most successful AI agents. Now, let me walk you through how it works, right? And how it transforms ordinary emails into high-performing personalized communications. The process begins when you create an email campaign in MailWiz. So you create your campaign, then from there you select which one of the AI providers you want to use. Now, we did OpenAI on Grok, because these you can just plug in some API keys, and that's great. But if you're anything like me, you hate those big bills from these large providers. Plus, I hate putting my data out into the open space. So I really like to use Ollama on another server or the same server for an easy business purpose. Then I can also specialize which model I want to work against. So once you do that, I actually set it up to run against our own Ollama servers, and we provide you examples how. And if you make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, I also have a playlist on how you can set up an AI DIY server, so your own server, for less than $500 rather than paying those high costs of cloud hosting. So next, you select a prompt template that matches your goal. You can choose options like professional, friendly, persuasive, or concise. Each template contains carefully engineered prompts that guides the AI to enhance your content in specific ways. Now, when you save your campaign, WizBoostAI sends your email content to select AI provider along with a specialized prompt, then captures the enhanced version. The matching happens in our proprietary content processing engine, which ensures all the technical elements remain intact while the language itself is improved. So your merge tags, links, and HTML structure all are preserved. Now, if your company needs custom systems like this, reach out to us, because here we can help you out at startuphack.com/Spencer. If you're interested in checking out WizBoostAI, it's askmanyai.ai/WizBoostAI. And I'll leave a link to it down below, which is a lot easier than trying to type it out. Now, the proof of AI system is in the results. What we've seen from WizBoostAI is that our own open rates have more than 5 times that of what they were before. So these improvements translate directly to revenue. For most businesses, the ROI on WizBoostAI is remarkable, especially when you look at the fact that it's just a one-time cost. So what's particularly interesting is that these improvements happen without changing anything about the campaign strategy, list quality, or offers. It's purely the result of more engaging, personalized email that gets personalized for every single send. So it gets past spam blockers. It's more personalized to where you can look at the person and the LLM can judge based off of the information you give it in the contact. Now, what makes for a successful AI agent? Building WizBoostAI has reinforced our understanding of what makes an AI agent successful in business applications. First, successful AI agents focus on specific, well-defined problems rather than trying to be general-purpose solutions. WizBoostAI doesn't try to handle your entire marketing strategy. It does one thing, and it does it really well. It personalizes that email. Second, they integrate seamlessly without existing workflows. So rather than requiring businesses to change how they operate, WizBoostAI works with MailWiz, a platform that many businesses are already using, rather than forcing users to adopt a completely new system. Now, third, they augment human capabilities rather than attempt to replace them. WizBoostAI enhances the content marketers that they create, making their work more effective rather than trying to generate campaigns from scratch. Fourth, they provide flexibility and control rather than taking a one-size-fits-all approach. WizBoost offers multiple AI providers and customized templates so the businesses can tailor their enhancement to their specific voice and needs. Now, finally, they deliver the measurable results that translate directly to business outcomes. So WizBoostAI doesn't just make your emails better in some abstract sense. It increases open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. These principles guide all the AI agents that we build here at Startup Hack, whether they're for email marketing, customer service, data analysis, or process automation. Now, if your company has custom AI agents for specific business processes, reach out to us, because here at Startup Hack, our specialty is identifying high ROI opportunities for AI automation and building solutions that integrate with your existing systems. So check out startuphack.com/Spencer, because we can help you out. Now, looking ahead, we see that AI agents become essential components of small business operations across every department, and it doesn't have to cost you a ton. In a lot of different operations, AI agents can connect disconnected systems to stream workflows that currently require manual intervention. So if you're having a swivel chair from one system to another system, this is where we can really help you out. We've helped one client reduce their order processing by a dramatic amount to really increase their ROI. Now, the most powerful applications will come from connecting these agents into an ecosystem that shares data and insight, creating a network effect that makes each component more valuable. Small businesses that adopt this agent-based approach to AI will gain many of the operational advantages previously available only to large enterprises with massive IT budgets. Now, there's a common mistake with AI implementations, and I've helped a lot of business try to avoid these, but I've seen some make this mistake. The first mistake is starting with technology rather than the business problem. They say, hey, I have AI, I want to shove it in somewhere, right? That's not the right way to look at it. Look at your business problems and then try to figure out what you can benefit the most from this automation. The second mistake is the importance of data quality. AI agents can only be as good as the data they're operating on. So before implementing any AI solutions, businesses should audit and clean their data stores. The third mistake is trying to automate too much too quickly. The most successful implementations start with a narrow, high-impact process that expands gradually as the organization continues to gain experience with AI. The fourth mistake is neglecting the human factor. AI implementation should always consider how the technology will affect existing rows and workflow with clear communications through the process. Now, finally, many businesses fail to establish clear metrics for success before the implementation, making it impossible to objectively evaluate whether the AI solution is delivering value or not. So if you want to get started with WizBoostAI, there's a link down below. Go hit it up. It'll work existing with your MailWiz server. And if you want to get started building custom AI agents for your business, definitely reach out to us here at Startup Hakk. You can hit us up at startuphack.com/Spencer. You can schedule a 20-minute call with me. Our process begins with a comprehensive assessment of your current workflows, identifying the process that would benefit most from AI enhancement. We look for tasks that are repetitive, require moderate judgment, and involve connecting different systems. We then design a custom AI agent architecture specifically for your needs, selecting optimal AI providers and creating specialized prompts that align with your business objectives. Now, AI agents represent the next evolution in business automation, and it's going beyond simple rule-based systems. There's a lot of hype out there around AI. I like using these small language models to build a specific use case for your business. So definitely make sure you reach out to us, because here at Startup Hakk, we love to train software developers in our licensed coding bootcamps, as well as to build custom software solutions for companies. So check us out, and we will hit the links down below.
Hi, my name is Spencer Thomason, and I'm a fractional CTO. With over a decade of executive leadership and a solid 25 years in software development, I've mastered the art of transforming technology teams and products. So what is a fractional CTO? This is where you can contract someone like myself to come into your organization and get the benefits of a seasoned CTO without having to employ me full-time. In today's fast-paced world, efficiency, security, and product scaling aren't just goals, they're necessities. My passion is building impactful products and enhancing organizational efficiencies through technology. From startups to small businesses, my approach leverages lean methodologies to not just meet but exceed your strategic goals. Whether it's through executive mentoring, cloud system architecture, or launching a minimum viable product swiftly, my aim is to make a significant impact right from the start. Recognized in the Arizona startup ecosystem, my journey has been about creating value and fostering innovation. I have led technology for companies like GoDaddy, SRP, and Wells Fargo, and turned challenges into milestones. I've taken this learning and launched 7 of my own brands, and now I want to help you. So if you're looking for a fractional CTO who brings a wealth of experience, strategic vision, and a proven track record, let's connect. Together we can build technology that not only drives your business forward, but also makes a difference. Technology leadership redefined to fit your needs. So reach out today.